In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Magic Expand. Now, the Magic Expand feature is part of Canva's Magic Studio. Now, this is a pro feature, and if you'd like to try a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description below. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase after the trial, then I will make a small commission. So, Canva Magic Expand. We can see up here that it's one of the tools within Magic Studio. Now what this does is, if we click on an image like this one, come up to Edit Photo and choose Magic Expand, it's then going to expand this image using AI to fill up all of this canvas. So if we click on Magic Expand, we're then going to have a few different options. We can actually crop the image as well, but if we click on Expand, we have a few different dimensions. We have freeform, whole page, 1:1, and a few others. Now for this example, what we're going to use is the whole page. Then we're going to click Magic Expand. Then what it's going to do is going to work its magic and give us 4 different variations of this image that we can choose from. And there we go. We now have the 4 different images. So this first one actually looks really good, and it's done a real great job on expanding on this image. Then this is the second one, which has done another pretty good job. The third and the fourth. Now to choose one of these, let's go with this first one. All we want to do is come down here to where it says done, click on there, and now you have your image which has been expanded. So as you can see, it's really easy to do. So if we do this again, click on the image, come to Edit Photo, click on Magic Expand, we're going to do the whole page, click on Magic Expand just there, and we're going to give it a few seconds, and there we go. We now have our 4 different images. This first one kind of messed up a little bit on the outside, the second one messed up a little bit here, the third one actually looks pretty good, and the fourth one was a little messed up as well. Now if you want to regenerate these, you can click on Generate New Results, then it's going to do its thing, work its magic, and give us 4 new variations. So this first one looks pretty good, so does this second, the third one, little bit off down here as we can see, and the fourth one. So let's go with this first one, click Done, and there we go. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to use the Canva Magic Expand. Now if you want to see more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.